Hello there, this is Monique with Lean6SigmaSource.com, and today's tutorial is going to teach you how to perform multiple regression analysis using this software, SigmaXL. Let's get started. First, you want to go down to Start, All Programs, and then you'll go to your SigmaXL option, and then go to Sample Data. Sample data comes with the SigmaXL program, so you should have this once you install the program. And then go down to Customer Data and select. Now I have SigmaXL set up to open automatically when I open Excel. You can do the same by going to Tools, Add-ins, and check SigmaXL. Okay, now our customer data spreadsheet is open. I just want to take a moment to note how the data is entered into the spreadsheet. For a SigmaXL program to read your data, you must not have any missing columns or rows. So again, no missing columns or rows, and each column needs to have a header. This is important because SigmaXL is set up where you have a dialog box that helps you put the data on whatever axis you want it to. So you're always going to enter in your data in this fashion. So let me show you exactly what we're going to do. First, you're going to go up to SigmaXL. Then you're going to go to Statistical Tools, Regression, and Multiple Regression. Okay, and what I normally do is click Use Entire Data Table. So we click Use Entire Data Table and then go to Next. Okay, now you notice that our headers that are listed in our spreadsheet are shown here as options that we can select in this dialog box. So what we want to do is we want to say for multiple regression, it's y is a function of multiple x's. So a certain output y can be affected by different x factors, and you want to know if those x factors have a significant impact on your output or your y, your big Y. So for this example, let's just look at overall satisfaction. We'll click that and make that our y. Okay, and then let's go to responsive to calls, and let's make that an x. Ease of communication, let's make that an x as well. So we're saying if our output is our overall satisfaction, does our responsiveness to calls or our ease of communication affect the customer's overall satisfaction? So we're going to do this analysis to find that out. And go ahead and click OK. And you want to make sure the fit intercept and the display residual plots is checked. Okay, let me shrink this down a bit so you can see it. Okay, you'll see here that you'll have your multiple regression model, your overall satisfaction, and then your function here will be shown above. Now, one thing you want to note here is your R-square value. Your R-square value here is 90.08%. So that means that 90.08% of your variation can be accounted for by these two indicators, which are responsive to calls and ease of communication. So those two X values account for 90% of your variation. And then the next thing that you want to note down here in parameter estimates is your p-value. Your p-values are very important because, let me shrink this down a little bit more. Because those are basically going to tell you if each factor is statistically significant or not. Alright, so what that means is you've got responsive to calls has a p-value of 0. So a p-value less than 0.05 means it is statistically significant, or it does influence your Y. And then you've got ease of communication, which is our second X factor, and that has a p-value of 0 again. So that means, yes, this factor is statistically significant and it does influence your Y. So that helps you to find out if your multiple X's are related to Y or affect the output. So that's multiple regression. And how you would use that tool to help you zero in on possible factors or eliminate certain factors. Like I said, if that p-value is above 0.05, then that's not statistically significant and that doesn't impact your Y. So this is a very good tool to help you use in your Six Sigma projects. And again, this is Monique with LeanSixSigmaSource.com, and this is your tutorial on using SigmaXL.